is Titi.
My name is Jimmy Guo.
I'm Nicola Adams.
And my name is Jeru. I think my queerness has enabled me to become more proud of who I am.
Everything I do is me combining my passions and me being a black, fat, queer woman.
Being queer has taught me the importance of being able to live my true self.
When someone else says that what I do, just being visible, means a lot for them in terms of representation. I think that's such a powerful thing. It really, really motivates me.
The queer gaze gives room for everybody to have their own expression of themselves, free of judgment.
When other people see that you are confident with it, it makes everyone sit back and say, wow, maybe this is something that we all need to learn from.
Queer gaze to me means seeing them for the person that they really are.
Whatever you do, whatever you experience, it has your personal fingerprint, and that's what makes it special.